Good day, everyone. I am Respecio, and I am here with my group mates Kalel Bautista, Cruz, and Troy Vinuya. Today, we will be presenting our project proposal for the course ITS122L Web Systems and Technologies 2 Laboratory. So let us start by introducing you to our client, Division Designs. Division Designs started as the merchandise business, catering to Mapo University students through custom lanyards. Over, over time, Division Designs expanded to major e-commerce platforms such as Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok Shop. So for the problem statement, Division Designs initially relied on on-site booths, causing them to miss market opportunities due to the time constraints. When they have shifted online, marketplace fees became a major issue, which reduces their profits. Limited resources also prevented them from building their own user-friendly store, and their current Facebook presence is disorganized, making it hard for the customers to browse and find the products. So let us now talk about the objectives and goals of this project. To address these problems, we have set the following primary objectives. The first one is to develop a comprehensive e-commerce website for us to manage their growing merchandise sales. Second is to create an easy-to-use platform for both the students and the administrators. The third one is to include systems for managing standard orders, custom requests, and order tracking. Fourth is to integrate a custom lanyard request system for seamless communication between the customers and the admins. And for our overall goal is to help Division Designs uh, to build an integrated platform for efficient product management with custom requests and real-time stock updates. So this will free them from the dependence on the third-party marketplace such as Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok.
Next, we have our UN SDGs address. So our project supports three main UN Sustainable Development Goals. First being the SDG 8, which is the decent work and economic growth. So by developing an independent e-commerce platform for Division Designs, we help expand market reach, reduce dependency on marketplace fees, and increase profitability. So this supports small business growth, promotes entrepreneurship, and potentially create more job opportunities. Next, we have SDG 9, which is Industry, Innovation, and Infrastructure. So this system improves business infrastructure by digitizing operations. So it streamlines project management, order processing, and communication, making the business more scalable and sustainable through technology. And lastly, we have SDG 12, which is the responsible consumption and production. So the platforms optimizes product ordering, tracking, and stock management. This reduces waste, improves inventory control, and promotes more efficient production practices, especially for custom lanyard requests. Next, we'll discuss the scope and limitations of our project, which focuses on developing a web-based e-commerce platform for Division Designs. So the objective is to create a user-friendly system that streamlines product browsing, custom lanyard requests, and admin management. So for users, the system should allow account registration, browsing and customizing lanyards, submitting custom design requests, placing orders, and tracking order status. So for the administrators, the system should include product management, user management, order approval, appointment scheduling, and dashboard-based monitoring. So admins also have full control to edit products and manage all transactions. So the goal is to centralize operations into one integrated platform for efficient order handling and smoother communication. Next, our project is limited to website development only. It does not include a mobile application or third-party service integrations at this stage. So future enhancements may explore mobile app development and external system integrations. So the project prioritizes a smooth shopping experience, efficient order management, and secure transactions. So security measures are implemented to ensure data protection and safe payment processing.
Hi, my name is Cruz, and I'll be presenting this part on the key components on this slide. So this is for the e-commerce platform for division designs. And the first thing that we want to integrate is the user and admin management. The users can register, log in, and manage their profiles, while administrators are responsible for managing users, orders, and products. The second is the product and order system. The users can browse and order both standard and custom lanyards. And on the admin side, they can approve, process, and manage shipping. Third is the custom lanyard request system, which allows users to submit customization requests, and admins review these requests and convert them into official orders once approved. Fourth is the payment integration, where we integrate a secure payment gateway to ensure safe and reliable transactions. And fifth is order tracking and communication, where users can monitor their order status, and both users and admins can communicate in regarding custom requests or concerns. Sixth is the delivery and proof management. Users upload proof of payment and select delivery options, while admins verify and schedule deliveries. Lastly, the admin dashboard serves as a control center where administrators manage products, inventory, orders, and customs requests efficiently. For this slide, this represents the core functional requirements of our system, so a bit more depth. Because first, we will have the users to be must able to create an account and log in securely. Second, users should be able to browse products and place orders for both standard and custom lanyards with specific requests. Third will be users must be able to track their order status in real time. And fourth, administrators should be able to view and manage all orders through a centralized dashboard. And finally, the system must integrate secure payment processing through a trusted payment gateway to ensure safe transactions. These functional requirements define what the system must do to support division design's operations. Now, moving to non-functional requirements, specifically product requirements. The first will be usability. The website must be intuitive and easy to navigate, especially for the first-time users. Second is performance. The website should load quickly and all features should function smoothly without delays. Third is compatibility. The platform must work properly across major browsers such as Chrome, Firefox, Opera, and Edge. And fourth is maintainability. The system should have a straightforward content management structure so administrators can easily update products and information. These requirements ensure equality, efficiency, and long-term sustainability of the system. Now, when it comes to the non-functional requirements, particularly on the security and dependability requirements, this slide, I want to talk about how this under security part, we need to focus on the confidentiality. It's critical because passwords must never be visible during login for account management. For integrity, any data modified by administrators must be validated before being stored in the database. For authentication, only authorized administrators can access management features such as order approval, delivery scheduling, and product creation. And under dependability, availability ensures that product and order management services are accessible only to authenticated users. Reliability ensures that incorrect login attempts trigger proper notifications and redirection. And finally, any action performed by the administrator must be accurately reflected across both the admin panel and the public website. These measures ensure that the system is secure, stable, and trustworthy for Division Designs and its customers. And that will be the end of my part of this presentation. Let's move on to the ERD.
So now we'll talk about the ERD. So first we have the user entity. This contains the basic information such as user ID, name, email, password, role address, and phone. And the role attribute identifies whether the user is a customer or an administrator. So the admin entity inherits from the user entity, which means the administrators share common attributes with the users but have additional privileges in managing the system. So next we have is the product and category entities. So each product belongs to one category and a category can contain multiple products. So the product entity includes attributes such as the product ID, the name, description, price, stock, quantity, and category ID. So when a customer places an order, the information is stored on the order entity, which includes the order ID, user ID, date, total amount, status, and payment proof. An order may contain multiple items which are recorded in the order item entity, and this entity connects orders and products and stores quantity and prices. So for payments, this entity is linked to the order. So it records the payment ID, the date, and the amount, and also the method and status. So the system also supports customized requests through the custom request entity. So customers can submit design specifications such as design type, color, quantity, and target date. So these requests generate a quotation which contains the proposed amount and the status. So overall, the ERD ensures proper organization of data and maintains relationship using primary and foreign keys, and supports both standard and custom ordering process. So for the sitemap of users view, first is after accessing the system, they will either sign up or log in, and then after authentication, they are directed to the home page, which serves as the central navigation point. So from the home page, users can access several main sections. First is products, where they can browse standard lanyards or custom lanyards. Second is order forms, which includes the cart and checkout pages that allows the users to review selected products while checkout finalizes the purchase. So third is custom orders, where users can submit a custom request and track the status of their request. And there is also an about section, which contains the information about the company and contact details. Lastly is the profile section, which allows users to view and edit their personal information. So this structure ensures that users can easily navigate the platform, complete purchases, and manage their accounts efficiently. So for the sitemap of admin's view, it is similar to the users. Administrators must first sign up or log in, and after logging in, they are directed to the admin homepage. So the admin homepage provides more management-focused features. Under products, administrators can manage both standard and custom lanyards. And the Manage section also allows administrators to view products, monitor inventory, handle appointments, and oversee custom orders. So administrators can also access the custom order section to review submitted requests and update their status. And also the About and Profile section functions similarly to the user's view, allowing administrators to update information and manage system-related details. Overall, the admin sitemap is designed to support monitoring, inventory control, order management, and system maintenance. So thank you for watching and listening. That is our presentation project proposal for the division designs. We are the group 7. Have a great day.
Good day, everybody. So today I will be showcasing to you the website of the Vision Designs. So here we have here the viewers tab or the client view, user view. So here we have the sign in pages and the sign up pages. For the sign up pages, you are prompted to input your first name, last name, phone number, email, and password. So your personal information. For the sign in page, you just have to input your email and your password. Once you have signed in, it will direct you to the home page. For the home page, you are greeted with navigation bar at the top and for the main product, the hero component, the website. So moving on to the other part of the page of the home page is the products. So here you are greeted with the different designs of products that are available. I'm sorry, I'm gonna move it here. So for the home page, you are also greeted with the navigation bar here in this button, the circle one. Once you click it, you are directed to the user page or the profile page. So this is the personal information where you can see your name, your email, your contact number, and so moving on to the products page. For the products page, you can see the standard designs of the lanyards and the custom design of the lanyard. So for the order page, you can you can select which products that you want to add to the cart. Here we have the cart tab where you can see which items that have been added, what's the quantity of it, and the price. So you can click checkout if you're satisfied with your with your orders, and it will direct you to the payment page. You can input here the method of purchase, method of payment, your card details, address. So there, once you're done, we also have here the search tab where you can search for the items or the products you wanted to see. You are also recommended by which signs that you can look at. So for the custom orders page here, if you wanted to create a design that you have in mind, you can free to do so. So you can ask a question, you can book a consultation as well. You want your ideas to be designed by a professional. So here you just have to click which one you like. We also have here the order tracking. You can see here what's the status of your order, whether the designs have been created, whether your orders are shipped, drop off, or in track. Here we have the about page. The about page just shows what's the company about and the contact details. So moving on to the admin view. For the admin view, it's almost the same as the user view since we have the sign in and the sign up pages, the home page. But what's different over here is that we have the manage page. For the manage pages, you can manage which products that you want to remove or to add. We also have here the inventory page, so you can see how many lanyards are left in the inventory. So you can adjust the quantity, the price, and then we also have the appointments page where you can see which customers have created an appointment to you. Here, for an example, you have an appointment. You can choose to remind yourself so that you can't forget the appointments. So that's about it for the admin page. The rest is just the same. So thank you so much for this short demonstration of our wireframe.